I don't know if they're scared or what, but yeah, this is just behind my place. We've got a little farm here. They like to stay alone. Anyway, I'm going to speak about the chemtrails, because I think this is very fitting to what's going on right now. So now we have what we call the sixth sun, which is one of the most powerful suns that emits the most frequencies. And the frequencies that are in the air now, I assume them to be gamma, because a lot of things are happening in like quicker than the speed of light, literally. Manifestations, thoughts, ideas, and gamma waves is associated with the genius mind. And the reason why they want you indoors, and the reason why the chemtrail rollout has been probably more heavier than ever, even you have guys saying they're blocking the sun and that, is because most people can't take this sixth sun, you know, because this sixth sun is emitting high frequencies, and most people are low in consciousness, which means low in frequencies. And these frequencies are manipulated through the chemtrails, the foods you eat, and these heavy metals. These heavy metals, you have to realize that we're made of metals as well, minerals. Okay. So these ions, most people don't ground. So if you go out in nature bare feet, you can ground to release some of these heavy metals. Most people don't get rid of these heavy metals, so most people let their aggression out, or redirect negative energy to people because they're not aware of this fourth dimensional way of thinking, because it's not brought to their awareness. So this is what's going on now. So this sixth sun, which is we're in Leo right now, which is the place where the sun likes to sit the most, is going to continue to emit higher frequencies moving forward. So let's see how the rest of this month goes by, and let's see how the rest of the year goes on, because I can't see, there's people that are so-called dying and stuff like this, and I believe it to be true because of this new wave of energy. So everything is energy, vibration, frequency. So, you have to get right with nature. You need to eat the right foods. You need to be grounding. You need to know about energy. You need to know about the energy inside of you. You need to know all of these things. It's a new way of learning now. It's a new way of thinking. It's a new curriculum. It's time to unlearn all the things that have been taught to you. And the only way you can do that is with an open mind and realize that you've been finessed. And when you come to this realization, you just get on board with what's going on, and you just say, hey, cool, I want to get with the new program, which is programming your own mind, programming your own reality, programming your own destiny. Because if you don't, moving forward, the people that be, because I don't like to call them the powers, the people that be will create a reality for you. And that's just the reality of it, So get right with nature. Today I've been grounding, walking. I do this all the time, but I've made sure that I do my loops. I connect with nature. I connect with the animals. I connect with people as well. You're supposed to connect with people as well. And just give thanks, because right now we're living in a time of adversity. In certain countries, they're not even allowed out the house or go to restaurants without the new passport they have out. I don't like to mention the name. I don't like to give these energies any more power than it's already had. So this is it, really. You need to just be connecting with the real world. After I finish this video, my phone goes off. airplane mode, you know? So this is it. How long are you spending online? How long are you spending offline? How long are you spending with your family, with your loved ones? And how many hours are you spending with yourself? You need to create a balance, you know? So this is it. I don't want to make this video too long. It's just to give a quick message, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and shut down because I want to get back to my ritual, because now I've been in the sun all day, and then I will go into my house, and I'll probably do a ritual for tonight because the new moon enters Leo, and obviously this is Lionsgate portal as well. So me, personally, the Lionsgate, some people saying that, you know, obviously we live on a Gregorian calendar, but you got to realize that anything that is created is now egregore. So for me personally, the numerology is what I'm looking at, because I understand that we live in loops, and the numerology will be based on these loops. So it's a powerful day. Leo's naturally, this is where the sun naturally likes to stay in, which is Leo anyway. So these powers are real anyway. So just remove your judgment from the term Lionsgate portal. We can access portals at any time. Anything that we put on dates is now become a religious doctrine, and this is what we need to get out of this subconscious programming. We can enter different portals at any different times, and it does come with higher knowledge and higher states of consciousness, but it's always achievable. All these planets that we see, all these luminaries we see in the sky are already inside of us, and we know this is to be true because universal laws states as above, so below, as within, so without. And this is just universal laws. So, yeah, but we give thanks anyway. We give thanks to the Most High and the celestial beings. And yeah, we move. Peace.